Here's my quick review of the Mopio Futon sofa bed. So I bought this for my office because I needed a new couch and I am completely obsessed with this now. I love that I can sit or lay. I can also turn this into a bed if I need to take a nap or have a guest that's staying in my office. Overall, the assembly was actually pretty easy. I was able to do every single part by myself, except for this part. This part, you probably want to have another person come and help you just to make sure that the two cushions are as close together as possible. Everything came really self-contained. There were 2 boxes that arrived at my doorstep. And then once you open the inside here, you'll see that you get the legs and the hardware. Here is everything that's all included. It was super simple to find everything. Here's a quick peek at the legs. I love that they're natural and wooden and they were really protected as they were shipped. So you literally just take these and screw them in. It was so simple to set this sofa futon up. As you can see, even Charlie loves it. It's super modern looking. I love the design. It's lightweight so I can move it back and forth. Overall, I would highly recommend grabbing one of these if you're looking for a modern yet comfortable sofa and sleeping solution. Highly recommend.